Hi everyone, my name is Meherika and I go to Saigon South International School, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Today I'm going to talk to you about balance in life. A balance in life is needed to have a successful life. There are two aspects to having balance in life: internal balance and external balance. Each aspect also has multiple subcategories. So the first subcategory we are going to talk about is balance in mind. To have a balance in mind, we need to challenge ourselves but also let our mind rest when it has worked hard. The second subcategory is balance in heart. We need to find people to love, like our family, friends, pets, and take care of them. But most importantly, we need to love ourselves. We also need to make sure that whatever we are doing in life that we are happy with, we are passionate about, and that we truly enjoy it. The last subcategory is balance in health. We need to exercise regularly, but also let our bodies rest. We need to sleep on time and maintain a healthy diet. When we talk about balance in health, we also need to think about how we are going to continue this during this lockdown. Many of us may be doing an unhealthy balance in life now because we are not sleeping on time, we are eating unhealthy, we may not be exercising, and many other reasons. We need to practice the balance in life in the healthy section throughout this lockdown so that when we do get back to our normal lives, we can flow into it very easily. I have been exercising regularly as well as going out to my balcony to take in some fresh air. I have also been eating healthy and sleeping on time. You guys should also do that. The second aspect is external balance. The first subcategory we are going to talk about in external balance is work or school. We need to challenge ourselves in all aspects of work or school. We need to take constructive feedback and use it to make ourselves a better version of who we are today. For example, if you are not social, you need to get out and make some more friends. If you are lazy, you need to stop procrastinating and start doing your work. The second subcategory is social life. We need to hang out with our family and friends. During this lockdown, it may be a little difficult to continue that, but we need to find different ways to overcome this obstacle. The most easy way? Digitally. Today's world is a digital world, so we can use that to stay connected with our friends and family. We also need to make sure that you reward yourselves whenever you have achieved your goals and done something that you have worked hard for. Remember the quote, "All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy." This helps me maintain a balance in life because this quote tells me what I shouldn't be and what I should do. Right now, we are young. We need to make some memories, and we need to make sure these memories reflect our balance in life. I'm going to talk about some of my memories. Some of my great memories is traveling with my family. When I went to Bangkok last year, when I went to Hanoi and many other places, as well as when I also went to a math competition earlier this year and became third place, or when we made a movie trailer in our language arts class. As you can see, my memories reflect from traveling, taking time for myself, being healthy, and etc. You can look back at your memories to see if you have a balanced life. We need to make sure that we are choosing carefully what we are going to do for the rest of our lives. We are young, and this is the time where we make a lot of important decisions. If you decide to throw your life away, it is going to come back and bite you in the butt in the future. We need to make sure we choose our careers carefully so that we don't end up regretting it that in our futures. We also need to make sure that we don't only try to make others happy. Sometimes it's okay to think about yourselves. Not all the times, but you must reward yourselves for your own hard work. So that's all I have to say today. I hope you guys find your balance in life during this lockdown. Thank you for listening. Once again, I'm Meherika.
Thank you for watching Yayskool. Please like and share.